All right, today we have a Range Rover and Justin is behind me finishing up all the prep work. Just got it washed, decontaminated, everything's ready to go because we're doing a full matte conversion on this using Matte PPF. So you get the awesome unique finish of Matte PPF, but the protection that paint protection film offers. So stay tuned because it's gonna be a good one. So we just wrapped up the matte conversion on this Range Rover. Again, it came in gloss, and we used Llumar Matte PPF to completely transform the look of this truck. Now it has this awesome, unique matte finish to it, but also all the benefits that PPF has to offer, from rock chips, scratches, and UV damage. Justin really took his time on this job. Again, when you're doing a matte conversion like this, we had to wrap all the edges and get everything nice and tucked. Not only for longevity purposes, but also you don't want any of that gloss to bleed through and show. But Justin did an absolutely incredible job getting full coverage on everything. I mean, it looks like it just rolled off of the factory floor, just like this. So if you're interested in having your vehicle protected, we offer paint protection film in a variety of finishes and colors. So be sure to visit us online or give us a call.